Hello there, my friend. Barb Pritchard here of Infinity Brand Design, and I'm going to show you how to save your file for digital use, whether it's going to be for a JPEG, a PNG, or maybe even a PDF for digital use. So what you'll do when you're ready to save it out, maybe you're done editing, you're going to come up here to the share button in the top right-hand corner. Just left click on that, and it's going to bring out this menu. Then you'll click on download. It's going to give you several choices. So you left click on this file type button. Typically, if you're going to do like an image, either a JPEG or a PNG, my suggestion is to go with PNG. PNG is going to give you the best quality. It's just a lot prettier image. JPEG is going to be good for whenever you need it to be a smaller quality. That's going to be good. Now, if you want to do something that's going to be like for digital books, like ebooks, anything along those lines, workbooks or something like that, that's going to be digital copies, PDF standard is going to be the way to go. So once you have chosen, let's say, where did it go? Right here. We'll do PNG. Um, PNGs have the glorious option of going with a transparent background, but you'll notice that that's going to be only for Canva Pro. Okay. Um, I also, if you have Canva Pro, I don't ever do compressed file quality, but that's because I utilize other file compression quality. So I've never tested out personally the file compression quality here in Canva. So that's just kind of food for thought. Then you say, for example, you have multiple pages within your document, and maybe you only want to save out one page. You can come down here, you can open up the pages, you can deselect all pages, you can choose whatever page you want to save out. Say, for example, I just want to save the first page. You click Done. Make sure you do that because otherwise it'll give you a zip file instead of PNG. And then you have to unzip that file and then all of that good stuff. Then once you're done, you'll just click Download and then it will save it for you. And that is exactly how you save your file for digital use.